All right, as I sit down to edit this video, I just wanted to let you guys know that there were no accidents during the filming of this, which is kind of rare. I mean, typically when you watch one of my videos, there's injuries and a lot of bleeps. And so if you're looking for bleeps, this may not be the one for you because there were no injuries. But man, when I hit my thumb the other day, oh my gosh. Oh, that was painful. So anyway, thankfully no injuries. Time to get to editing and enjoy the vid. This welder here I bought for $100. I'm sorry, why did I say that? I bought it for $50. These are the cables that came with this welder. So this is the power cord to that welder, and it's so dry you can't cut it with a knife. You have to kind of bang it. I mean, it's just crispy. Once you do that, then you can get in here and get the knife through it. So this one's going to be a mess, and you can see it has three wires in there. It's got a good amount of copper, but it's got all this too, so it's going to take me a minute to bang this off of here. Got all the string off of it. Now I got to unwind these three. So there's one. Let's see if this will unwind. It's doing the whirling dervish. There we go. All right, so that's the power cord for that thing. Geez, I'm tired already. Okay, so I've got this big old long cord for the welder, and it's too big around for me to even put through my wire stripper. So I'm just gonna do it like this. And I always like to do the cords first because I want to kind of get an idea of how much money I'm getting in copper from the cords, especially if you've spent money. Almost done with this one already. Take a look at the coppery goodness on the inside here very quickly. There. It'll take me 3 minutes, 2 minutes. Now you guys probably saw in some recent videos me putting some huge bundles of copper. Look at it, just coming out in little shreds. Dang it. Those bundles came from wires like this, from welders. Ugh. Wow, this is gnarly. This is the kind of stuff that definitely has to be melted. This is number 2 all day long, and then if you don't get this stuff off, maybe they wouldn't even give you that. I don't know. Turn on my scale real quick. Okay, there's the first chunk of copper wire. I'm gonna throw it on the scale. Maybe a pound, I don't know. Almost 2 pounds, 1.9. And I've got this one to do. This is really weird stuff. It's copper from 1952. That's when the Welder was built. I think these are the original cables too, because they're pretty funky. Oh, my tries are burning. Try to do it this way. Okay, good Lord. Looks like it's going to be a pain in the arse, no matter how we do it. One of them's going to choose to strip, the last one. Oh, sometimes life is hard to understand. All right, WD-40. All right. Only thing not coming is that screw right there. Let's see if the WD-40 helped at all. Oh man, yes it did. Just about at 1 minute. Ever seen a 70-year-old welder? There you go. Oh, cool. Set this aside because I'm saving the shell. So we gotta be careful how we go about this process. Gotta get this whole thing off though. So getting these screws on the bottom are gonna be a real beaut. Ugh. What are the chances they're gonna come out? Oh, jeez. Yeah, I'm gonna strip it.
Order in the court.
Yeah, these are gonna be tough. I'm gonna put some WD-40 on them, let them soak. Guess after 70 years, they have a right to be a little stiff and difficult. It doesn't want me taking it apart. Tell you what, let's do this. Cut these wires. This one screw is giving me a heck of a time. I can't get it out. These two finally came out, but I need to get this one. Oh, I really don't want to have to cut this one. There. All right. I just needed to beat it up a little bit more. I've been trying to get that for a couple days. Okay, so in order to get this outside cover off, there are a bunch of these wires that are still attached to the outside shell. But I can't cut through them with regular clippers because the copper is so thick. I gotta cut through it. Whew, man. Covered in copper now. There it is. Now, I don't know what that is. Kind of looks like a battery, but it's pretty thick copper, that's for sure. It's just wrapped all the way around this thing. I think I've got one more band down here. Guess what I don't know is if there's more copper in here or if that's it. Oh no, there's more copper in here. Oh yeah. Ah, look at that. Yeah. Second row. Looks amazing. Woo. That's pretty crazy. Oh, oh baby. Hope you didn't think we were done on this side. I'm just gonna take it a minute to wrap this, or unwrap it, because no sense losing copper if you don't have to. Some nice wad. All right, let me finish this up, I'll be back. One side down, one to go. Tell you, this blade just cut through this steel better than it cut through the copper. For whatever reason. Steel's harder than copper. Maybe because the copper gums it up or something. Those who like science, let me know in the description. Or leave a comment and tell me why the heck that is. I think we took 3 sections off over here and only 2 over here. That's really weird. I was expecting to get another one. Yeah, I'm not sure why. There it all is. I'm going to put it in the bin and we're going to weigh it. Oh, by the way, I go into work today and my neighbor had left me, our maintenance guy had left this for me. And 3 pieces of wire. Good stuff, that's thick. So that was my little present going into work today. Then we still got to get this copper off here. I forgot about this. I got to get this off before we weigh it all up. And of course we have that. I wanted to see if this was heavy steel. Yeah, it's all welded together, so that's all prepared. Nice. All right. Okay. I did the tear out. This is the whole bucket of stuff. That's the mess. But what do you guys think? I was hoping for 30 pounds. I don't know if we're going to get 30 pounds. And what do you know? My wire. Watch what it does. Oh, it gives me the 30 pounds. 32.5 pounds. Now there's all kinds of tape and all that nonsense on it. We're gonna probably get another 30 pounds out of this to go with the 30 pounds of all my motors. So I got 60 pounds of copper that I have to melt. That's pretty stinking awesome in my book. If I turn this in, it would be number 2 copper. There's no way I'm turning in number 2. If I can melt it into bars and get number 1 for it, that's what I'm gonna do. Still gotta get this off of here, this heavy piece, and then I'm gonna put the shell back on it. And as you can see, I left it intact as much as possible. And I'll be able to put this handle back on it, which is really nice. So yeah, so it'll look as complete as I can make it. That is it, guys. That is the welder. If you have any questions, peace. Let me know. Hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. We're gonna be doing all kinds of stuff. Oh yeah, just one more look. So we'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys so much for watching.